That should be illegal. My Christmas crack recipe is about to crack the internet. So let's get started. My family and friends love this Christmas treat. It is awesome. It is my version of Christmas crack. So what I have here is a sprayed cookie sheet that I liberally sprayed with nonstick cooking spray. And I'm going to line that with graham crackers. Now we have our entire tray lined with the graham crackers. So now we are going to put little caramel bits all over the top of it. Now we have our caramel bits all over the graham crackers. So we're gonna pop this in a 350-degree oven just for about 3 to 5 minutes, just until the caramel starts to melt and become bubbly. A lot of people use saltine crackers to make their Christmas crack. I don't like saltine crackers. I feel like it's just way too dry. And I feel also that a lot of people use saltine crackers because they want that sweet and salty combination in their Christmas crack. I achieve that in a different way, and I'll show you in the video. Most times, Christmas crack or any treat like that is made with a toffee-based caramel sauce. You melt butter and brown sugar and you wait for it to come to a boil, and then you pour it all over. And when it hardens, it's more of a toffee, like a crack. That's where Christmas crack got its name from. I like to use soft caramels. I use Werther's Original. There's different brands of soft caramels. I like soft caramels better. I think it's much more smooth and velvety. I think it's more buttery, and I think it gives you that bang of caramel flavor that you're looking for in Christmas crack. Okay, so I just took the sheet pan out of the oven, and the caramel bits have melted. Can you see how luxurious they look? Now we're just gonna take them and we're gonna spread it all over the graham crackers. Be very careful. Hot sugar will burn your skin off. So we have our caramel nice and smooth all over the top of the graham crackers. Is that not a beauty already? And we haven't even done anything yet. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna sprinkle milk chocolate chips and peanut butter chips all over the top, and then we're gonna pop it back in the oven just for about 2 minutes till the chips start to melt, and then we're gonna spread that all over the top. Now we spread out the chocolate and peanut butter all over. Isn't she pretty? This is the best part of being the chef. You get to lick the spoon. Oh, God, that's so good. Okay, so now while this is still warm, we're gonna start sprinkling our goodies all over the top. I have here leftover bits and pieces of the bags of the pretzels and potato chips. That's how we're gonna achieve our salty component to our sweet Christmas crack. I have leftover pecans from the recipe I showed you earlier for our pecan turtles. I have little chocolate mint goldfish cookies, Reese's Pieces, and Christmas colored peanut and plain M&Ms. Let's start sprinkling. So now we have all of our toppings on our Christmas crack. We're gonna pop it in the freezer or the refrigerator for 10 or 15 minutes just till the chocolate sets up and the caramel sets up, and we can crack it on into our tin. As you can see in my last video that I posted for my Christmas crack, I put my own variations and spins on it to make it my own and to the liking of my family and friends. Do you make Christmas crack or a variation of it? Do you put your own spin on it, or do you make it in a traditional way? Tell me in the comment box below, what do you do? How do you make it? I'd love to know other people's perspective on Christmas crack. Okay, our Christmas crack is all set up And now we're just gonna take it off and plate it. So I like to do is, I like to take the tin foil off of the cookie sheet and then just peel it. See how easily that comes off? Because we sprayed the bejesus out of that aluminum foil. Now look at it. Okay, let's break it up. If this is not a plate of holiday cheer, I don't know what is. It is all done and plated. Let's give it a taste. That should be illegal. Guys, I hope that you make this. And I hope you try it this way. This is every bite of sweet, salty, a little peppermint hint from those cookies. It is absolutely divine. Here's a little chefy tip for you guys. If you're making any kind of holiday treat or cookie that has peppermint in it, be it a candy cane, peppermint extract, or any kind of mint flavor, that flavor, if you package it with another cookie, the peppermint flavor is going to transfer. So just a word to the wise, if you don't want your butter cookies to have a peppermint hint to them, package them separately. So if you're making a candy that's peppermint flavored, package it separately. If you're making a peppermint cookie, package them separately as well. You can put them in little cellophane bags and tie them with a bow and then put it in the treat box, and then you'll be safe. But just wanted to give you that little tip. If you give this away or you put it on your holiday table, people are gonna go crazy. If you want the recipe for this, write recipe in the comment box and I'll be sure to send it to your DM. And make sure you save this video so that you can make this later, because trust me, you're not gonna wanna lose this.